In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the no sound on WhatsApp status on your iPhone. If you're facing the issue of no sound on WhatsApp status on your iPhone, don't worry, it's a common problem that can be easily fixed by following a few simple steps. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. After that, check if your iPhone's volume is turned up and not in silent mode. If you have silent mode enabled, simply turn it off. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. If that didn't work, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. Then scroll down this list of apps, and find WhatsApp. Tap on it. Then tap Offload app. Offloading the app removes it from the device while retaining its documents and data. This process can help eliminate any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the sound problem. Then tap Reinstall app. Reinstalling WhatsApp ensures a fresh installation, which can often resolve software-related issues that may have been affecting audio playback within the app, such as on WhatsApp status posts. By offloading and reinstalling WhatsApp, you essentially reset the app to its default state, which can potentially fix sound problems and restore audio functionality. If that doesn't work, check if there is any dirt or debris blocking the speakers on your phone. You can gently clean the speakers using a soft brush or cloth to remove any obstructions that may be causing the sound problem. Then reboot your device, and hopefully, that will fix your issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.